When it comes to Awning Windows Taylor, choosing the right awning window contractors is crucial for ensuring a seamless and efficient process. Awning window experts in Taylor MI offer a wide range of services, from initial consultation to final installation, ensuring that your new windows are perfectly suited to your home's design and energy needs. With a variety of awning window styles and sizes available, you can customize your windows to fit any architectural style, enhancing both the aesthetic appeal and functionality of your home. Energy-efficient awning windows. Taylor are a popular choice for homeowners looking to reduce their energy bills while maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. These windows are designed to provide superior insulation, keeping your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. By opting for energy-efficient Awning Windows Taylor, you not only contribute to a greener planet, but also enjoy significant savings on your energy costs. Awning window companies in Taylor MI offer a range of energy-efficient options, including vinyl, aluminum, and wood awning windows, each with its own unique benefits. Custom awning windows in Taylor MI allow homeowners to tailor their window designs to meet specific needs and preferences. Whether you're looking for a particular style, size, or material, custom awning windows provide the flexibility to create a unique look for your home. Awning window suppliers in Taylor, Michigan offer a variety of customization options, ensuring that you find the perfect match for your home's architecture and your personal taste. From traditional wood awning windows to modern aluminum designs, the possibilities are endless. Awning window maintenance in Taylor, Michigan is essential for keeping your windows in top condition and extending their lifespan. Regular awning window cleaning and sealing help prevent damage from the elements, ensuring that your windows remain functional and attractive for years to come. Awning window parts and hardware are readily available from local suppliers, making it easy to replace worn or damaged components. By investing in routine maintenance, you can avoid costly repairs and replacements down the line. For those in need of awning windows Taylor MI, there are numerous experienced professionals ready to assist. Whether your windows have suffered damage from a storm or simply need a tune-up, Awning Window Repair Services in Taylor, Michigan can address a wide range of issues. From replacing broken awning window screens to fixing faulty hardware, these experts have the skills and tools necessary to restore your windows to their original condition. Don't let minor issues turn into major problems. Seek professional repair services at the first sign of trouble.